The subtle warmth of beautiful wood rubbed to a rich, deep glow. Graceful proportions and details enhanced by the natural wood grain patterns of aged oak, walnut, and mahogany. The elegance of classic design is perfected through a lifetime of creative toil. Beauty brought back to life by Carolina furniture repair craftsman Justin Elliott. From wood restoration to upholstery, no one knows how to properly bring your antiques back to life like we do. Call today for more information. Carolina Furniture Repair Refinishing, 336-790-0712.